How to fix microphone not working in Nvidia app. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first step is to check microphone settings in Nvidia app. To do so, go to settings or audio settings within the app. So simply search for Nvidia Control app and then go to its app settings. And then after that, make sure the audio option is permitted. Or what you can also do is simply set this power optimized to never, and then it will use all the permissions. Next option is check your system sound settings. Simply go to your control panel and then go to speaker and make sure your speaker is turned on. After that, check permissions for Microsoft microphone access. So simply go to your settings and then privacy and then go to microphone settings over here, and then simply what you will have to do is enable this option and see if it is turned off. Next is update or reinstall drivers. Simply update your Nvidia drivers through GeForce Experience to ensure compatibility with your microphone. The next is check for conflicting software. Like certain software like Discord, Skype, or even Windows Audio Enhancement might conflict with Nvidia app. So simply search for them, and if there are any, remove them. The next step is to reboot your PC. Simply restart your PC and see if the problem fixes. Next is ensure no conflicts with other audio devices. Make sure the problem is not with your hardware. If that is so, you cannot get it fixed by yourself and you will have to go to a nearby workshop or a store to get it fixed. So next is reinstall the Nvidia app. Uninstall the Nvidia application and reinstall it using GeForce Experience. And lastly, check for Windows Update. If there are any updates going on, simply get the latest version of your Windows and security. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.